Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to edit your caption on TikTok. So, guys, first is just simply go ahead and open up your TikTok application into your device. Now, guys, over here, you can just simply go ahead and open up your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to one of your posts that you want to edit your caption with. So just simply tap on it. Now, guys, here on your post, you should be able to see the three dots on the right side of the screen beside the save button. So go ahead and tap on the three dots. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see here multiple tools at the bottom. So just simply scroll to the left and you should be able to see here edit post. So you could just simply go ahead and tap on the edit post tab and it will redirect you over here. And now you could provide your caption over here. You could edit out hashtag. You could do a mention. And guys, remember that you can only do this once a day and you can only edit your post within 7 days of posting it. And now, once you are done, you will just simply select done on the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. And you should be able to select save at the bottom to apply the changes that you have made. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.